It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Thursday, the 20th of March. First day of spring. The equinox was this morning at 4:01. Alabama's weather, though, will feel more like winter today. In fact, parts of North Alabama will likely hold in the 40s with a brisk north wind. Here we go, the upper air look. Got a very deep trough coming through. That brought a little band of showers and thunderstorms to the state last night. Still some lingering showers over southeast Alabama early this morning. Let's see our radar composite about 5 o'clock. There could be a few spotty showers over North Alabama today, but a pretty decent chunk of the day should be dry. Temperatures are beginning to fall. We've got 45 at Haleyville, Birmingham 56, Huntsville 50. But notice the 60s down at Mobile and Dothan in advance of the front, but even there, they'll fall into the 50s later this morning. And again, for the northern counties of the state, temperatures will likely hover in the 40s this afternoon with a brisk north wind. And looky here, tomorrow morning we have a freeze warning in effect for about the northern half of the state. The counties there in dark blue, that would be as far south as Tuscaloosa, Calera, Sylacauga, and Roanoke. But understand, there could be a few spots in South Alabama with the light freeze as well, and we do expect frost deep into South Alabama early tomorrow morning with a clear sky and diminishing wind. Other than that, things pretty quiet around the nation. No severe thunderstorms expected today or tomorrow. And then on day 3, which is Saturday, there's a marginal risk from near Tulsa back up to about Columbia, Missouri. And then on day 4, which is Sunday, and understand this runs through early Monday morning, we have a risk of severe storms defined from eastern Texas into Tennessee. And this does clip parts of Alabama. And again, this is for mainly activity that arrives after midnight Sunday night, the pre-dawn hours Monday. And there is a risk of severe storms defined north of a line from near Demopolis to Calera to about Anniston. I'm not overly bullish on this at the moment, but we'll take a look at modeling here in just a second. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. Rain valid through Thursday morning of next week. The amounts mostly between 1/2 and 1 inch. So model fans, here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run today at 4. Trough is progressive, moving on to the east. And again, it's going to be kind of a raw day. Breezy, kind of cold over North Alabama with clouds around and maybe a few spotty showers. South Alabama should become mostly sunny. And again, 40s for the northern counties, 50s for the southern half of the state. This is the high-resolution HER model, valid at 3 o'clock this afternoon. And again, evidence of a few spotty showers, little patches of light rain across northeast Alabama. The rest of the state will be dry. Now, tonight, the clouds over North Alabama will move out, and tomorrow morning, it will be cold. These are projected lows tomorrow morning coming off the HER, and you can see low 30s for most of the state. Low 30s in North Alabama, mid-30s for the southern counties of the state. And again, some of the colder pockets could see upper 20s. So a freeze warning for the northern half of the state. Frost likely into South Alabama. But during the day, a nice warm-up. The sky will be sunny. Highs go back in the 60s. Saturday looks good. Dry and mild. Highs in the 70s. These late-season cold snaps don't last long. The day Sunday should be dry. But, of course, we're watching developments to the west. We have a deep surface low near Minneapolis-St. Paul. Snow for Minnesota and Wisconsin on Sunday. And rain and thunderstorms west of Alabama. And that will be moving in here late Sunday night. This is about 4 a.m. Monday. And again, that deep surface low far to the north. It's way up over the Great Lakes. Typically, for a big severe weather event here, you want to see that surface low closer to Little Rock or St. Louis. And again, the GFS is suggesting there's just no surface-based instability. And again, you just really can't have a big severe weather problem with no surface-based cape. However, the European model is a little more bullish. It's showing instability up to about Interstate 20. But again, with this stuff coming through well after midnight when the air tends to be more stable, the surface low so far north, just not overly concerned about severe storms at this point. But as always, hey, it's March. Any system like this, you have to watch carefully. But I'd say the better chance of any heavier storms would be from midnight Sunday night until maybe 6, 7 o'clock Monday morning. And then by Monday afternoon, any lingering showers will be over the southern third of the state, south of Montgomery. And the high Monday will be in the upper 60s in most spots. And then Tuesday looks dry. Highs go back in the low 70s. We have seen evidence in the European. There could be a few showers maybe Tuesday night, but probably not much. Wednesday looks mild and dry, and this is a week from today, Thursday, March 27th. Northwest flow aloft, and once again we are dry and mild, with highs up in the 70s. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, March 29th. Got a ridge over the Gulf of Mexico. The westerlies beginning to shift north, and again that looks warm and dry. In fact, evidence we could see low 80s that weekend. The weekend of March 29th and March 30th could be the warmest weekend so far this year, if this works out. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble for the next 15 days. This is valid through April 4th. The mean, the green line, mean of the ensemble members, about 2 inches. Temperatures coming off the National Blend of Models, NBM. Big warm-up ahead. Now today, this is for Birmingham, 51. If you're north of Birmingham, you'll probably stay in the 40s all day. Tomorrow morning, Birmingham showing 33. Many spots will see a light freeze, but then we are back in the 70s over the weekend. And again, look at that weekend of the 29th and 30th. How about some low 80s in here? And the latest long-range guidance. This is for March 27th through April 2nd. Temperatures above average during that time frame. Well, this doesn't look like the first day of spring. That was yesterday in Iowa, where they had a blizzard. Wow. This is Nebraska, where the same blizzard impacted them, and this was in Minnesota. And the snow had ended. The sun was starting to break through, but a whopper of a snowstorm for parts of Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin yesterday. This was some of the hail in Illinois, south of Chicago. They had some severe storms up north. But around here, just a glorious sunset. Looking awfully good after that little batch of showers we experienced last night. So today going to be at Headland Elementary School, Henry County, southeast Alabama. Looking forward to that. Tomorrow going to be visiting 2 schools in Tuscaloosa, Verner Elementary and then Rock Quarry Elementary. And then Saturday I'll be speaking at the Great Lakes Meteorology Conference at Valparaiso University up in northern Indiana. Looking forward to seeing all my friends there. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.